We're now looking at the second IPO to hit the markets at the exact same time as the CAMS IPO. The IPO of Chemcon Specialty Chemicals Limited, which is the latest in this busy September month and is open from September 21st to September 23rd. The issue comprises of a fresh issue of shares as well as an offer for sale by the promoters. Let's look at the business of Chemcon. Chemcon manufactures specialty chemicals like HMDS and CMIC, which is predominantly used in the pharma industry, and also chemical products which are used in the oilfield chemical segment. Let us now look at the prospects of this company and whether this IPO is worth looking at. The company manufactures some products which have a near monopoly in India and is also one of the largest manufacturers of HMDS, which is used in the pharma industry, and calcium bromide, which is used in the oilfield chemical segment. The company is also well positioned to take advantage of the anti-China sentiment that is running across the world in this pandemic period. India, who is a net importer of this chemical, HMDS, is seeking to substitute with a domestic manufacturer. The US, which is one of the biggest markets for the chemical segment, has an ongoing trade dispute with China, and the company has taken advantage of this by already starting its exports to the US. It is also expanding geographically across the other regions. Part proceeds from this IPO is being used for capacity expansion. So the company is ready to ramp up manufacturing as and when the demand increases. The company has a loyal customer database. Clients like Aurobindo Pharma and Laurus Labs have been with the company for many years. Looking at the industry, the chemical segment, the chemical sector has a lot of potential, and it was very evident in the prices of specialty chemical stocks even during the peak of the lockdown period. So company specific and industry specific, there are a lot of positives to talk about the company. Looking at the financials of the company has a strong balance sheet with stable cash flows, and profitability growth, including revenues, PAT, and also increasing margin profiles. The debt equity ratio is at 0.31 times. Looking at the valuations of the company at the upper price band of rupees 340 and with FY20 numbers, the company is available at a PE of 25.5 times, which is actually attractive when compared to its listed peers. So these were the positives of the company. We also need to look at the concerns that are there for this company. 35% of its business comes from the oilfield chemical segment. With global oil demand remaining weak, this segment could face pressures in the short term. The customer concentration is also a concern. Top 5 customers account for around 59% of the business. But this risk is somewhat mitigated by the loyalty of the customers, since most of the customers have been long-term customers. Some of the raw materials are imported from China, and this could face some geopolitical risk. So all in all, comparing the positives with the negatives, considering the company's leadership position in some of the segments, a stable balance sheet with stable cash flows, the expected demand from the pharma industry, the outlook of the chemical segment as a whole, the loyal customer database that the company has, we recommend a subscribe rating on this company for the aggressive investor with a long-term perspective. Please note that this issue is comparatively smaller in size, and also specialty chemicals IPOs have usually been well received in the market. For more details, you may refer to the detailed IPO note that has been published by Geojit Research. Thank you and happy investing.